first contact we have with the product is with its package. And everybody knows how important this is. The package presents and protects the product, complements the brand, attracts, awakes desire and curiosity, and the relationship with the consumer starts with it. In this universe of consumerism, technology and high investments, one brand outstands itself as leader in manufacturing packages for many segments. Quality assured, flexibility and agility attendance, added to a politics of maintaining its industrial park, always renewed, are the supporting and success pillars of Zaraplast. For this purpose, big investments in equipment and technology are carried out, and the result is that Zaraplast compares to the most important industries of flexible packages in the world. Zaraplast is one of the industrial groups that has grown in a remarkable way, being in total compliance with the demands of the internationalized economy. There are many units of its own, and also other collocated companies, which attend to the segments of laminated packages, conventional, and bags. The collocated companies are present in flexible and rigid packagings. From sophisticated laminated packages for food, hygiene products, cleaning and pharmaceutical, even sacks for petrochemical products, agricultural and fertilizers. Let's detail briefly each one of these specialties. In modern co-extruders, Zaraplast produces polyethylene films with different technical characteristics that attend the conventional and laminated package market. The monolayer packages are used for food like rice and beans, and a big number of food, hygiene and cleaning products. Zaraplast is the sole package industry that offers two printing methods in the same plant, the rotogravure and the flexography. The monolayer packages are offered in up to 8 color printing. Zaraplast still counts on its own printing, preparation and pre-press, which greatly speeds up the processes of production in flexography. The engraving of cylinders for printing in rotogravure is also made internally, speeding up the work and guaranteeing Zaraplast total control over the projects and absolute confidentiality to the client. As we see, Zaraplast is concerned to perceive and understand the new market demands, and it's clear, to invest heavily respond to them. Now, let's learn about the laminated segments. A highly demanding and competitive market in which the constant technological and management renovation is even more vital. Packages in laminated structures offer more protection to some products like food, medication, pet food, and they require technology and continuous innovation and sophisticated printing. Zaraplast counts with Rotomac printers equipped with a computer system of process revenue storage, cold seal application, and other technical characteristics that allow printing up to 9 colors in high speed. The laminated packages are also produced in triplex machines with tri-lamination that offers reduction channeling, wrinkles, and other problems arising from the process. The triplex drying system has extremely high capacity with practically no thinner retention without formation of bubbles or little channels. With these very advanced industrial equipment, Zaraplast has also acquired complementary technology that optimizes the technical procedures, like the automatic fault detection system that, acting like true digital eyes, contains an equipment that registers and informs if the quality standard established by the client is being followed, and the corrective actions are generated in the process of production. Another market attended by Zaraplast is raffia package market. Widely used to pack chemical products like plastic resins, agricultural products like cereals, sugar, wheat flour, seeds, and others. Since the extrusion, passing by the weaving, printing, and finishing, Zaraplast counts on the most modern equipment to weave raffia and has weaver's looms for the manufacture of the big bags. The raffia sacks are produced by Zaraplast in 2 units that, adding up their productions, result in bigger quantity of raffia sacks in the country. Zaraplast, the biggest producer of raffia sacks in Brazil. Zaraplast also produces polyethylene industrial bags and bobbins for packages of chemical and petrochemical products, fertilizers, and others. The total quality is obtained by the last generation co-extruders and advanced printing systems, and with full mechanization of the cutting and finishing sectors. Zaraplast expands its influence through collegated enterprises, which operate with autonomy, but inside the same solid patterns of quality. The plastic bag market requires fastness and quality. The Zaraplast is one of the collegated companies that attends the big wholesalers, supermarkets, supermarket networks, and vegetable and fruit sectors, and many sectors of the retailer's commerce, producing smooth or printed bags through flexography in up to 6 colors. Zaraplast, flexibility, agility, and competitiveness. Daviso, another enterprise collegated to Zaraplast, is the leader in Latin America in production of wet sheets, marketed in big growth all over the world. The production of wet sheets involves many cares. Frequently utilized in hygiene of babies and other cosmetic uses, the wet sheets must be free of any contamination, and the clients are more and more demanding with the cleaning conditions of the production. Alta Copo is one more business unit collegated to Zaraplast and dedicates itself to the production of rigid packages like plastic cups for various uses. Alta Copo stands like one of the biggest and most efficient enterprises of this segment. The Zaraplast Group imputes its extraordinary growth to the aggressive politics of investments. This politics makes the renovation of its industrial park constant. This, allied to the quality management and the personalized attendance to the client, stimulates the involvement of its collaborators. The practice of the HACCP, or control of critical points of the process, reduces failures and keeps permanent improvement of the work processes. The safety and concern with the environment gave rise to the adoption of the Good Practices of Manufacture program, as well as the Integration Management System. Safety, quality, and environment. With many projects of recognized social relevance, Zaraplast fulfill its roles of responsible enterprise. Social integration workshops, courses for trainees in partnership with Senai, directed vacation program for children, health campaigns. Zaraplast, coherent with its continuous search for renovation, launched a B Partner program, which, in its conception and through transparent methods of control, helps distribute financial results to all its collaborators. Since that one who executes the simplest tasks up to the directors. Thus, the attitude of commitment is measurable and awarded with financial earnings in relation to the basic remuneration for each position and function. For the success of this program, Zaraplast structured a complex methodology of administration and technology of information, which allows instantaneous knowledge of the performance and aids the corrective actions still in the industrial and administrative processes. Zaraplast is proud of being a globalized enterprise in industrial conditions to compete with the best similar industries in the first world countries. Zaraplast, innovation and technology in packages.